Welcome to the zSpace Inspire, a glasses-free augmented and virtual reality laptop which can be used to explore math, science, design, career and technical education programs of study, esports, and a whole lot more. Before you get started, there are a few things you need to know. First, you should have the following items: the Stylus and Stylus sensor module, the charging cable, and of course, the zSpace Inspire. Plug the Stylus sensor module into the left side of the system. Be sure it's flat on the table and that both legs are flush to the Inspire. Then, connect the charging cable to the right side of the laptop. Now sit front and center of the computer. Notice the reflector points around the screen? These points are tracked by the Stylus sensor module to help the stylus track whatever you are interacting with in an application. For the best experience, make sure none of the reflectors as well as the webcam are covered and tilt the screen to an angle that will provide you with the best view. Next, pick up and hold the zSpace stylus like how you would hold a pen. You will mostly use the center front button to interact with and pull objects out of the screen. The left and right stylus buttons will perform different functions in different applications, like dissecting, magnification, and more, so be sure to try them out. After you connect your laptop to the internet, you can now open zCentral on the desktop and launch your zSpace applications. Just find the activity, experience, or application you'd like to use and click Launch. And now you're ready to use zSpace. Have fun exploring!